Hey there, music maestros. Like a rash that won't go away, I'm back, baby. It's just me, Sam, from at HP React, and today I've got a little gadget that's going to turn you into a digital Beethoven. The FORE MIDI to USB connector cable. Let's get this symphony started. All right, let's unbox this beauty. Here it is, folks. The cable that promises to turn my keyboard into a digital powerhouse. The packaging is straightforward, no frills, just pure musical potential. It's like opening a portal to a world where I actually know how to use MIDI software. The FORE MIDI to USB connector has got a sturdy build and feels like it could survive a rock concert. The connectors are clearly labeled in and out, which is perfect because, let's be honest, I still confuse my left with my right. Now let's talk setup. Plug the MIDI ends into your keyboard, the USB into your computer, and voila, you're ready to rock. Even my cat could set this up, and he thinks the keyboard is a fancy bed. No drivers, no software, just plug and play. It's so easy, I almost feel like I'm cheating. The performance is top-notch. There's zero latency, which means no awkward pauses when I'm pretending to be Mozart. I hit a key and the sound hits my computer instantly. It's like magic. My keyboard went from a simple instrument to a digital orchestra. I'm not saying I'm ready to headline Coachella, but watch out, world. This cable is built to last. It's like the superhero of cables, strong, reliable, and always there when you need it. I could probably use it to tow a car, though I don't recommend trying that at home. But seriously, this thing is solid. In conclusion, the FORE MIDI to USB connector cable is a must-have for any musician. It's easy to use, performs flawlessly, and is built like a tank. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this cable is your new best friend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wacky reviews. Keep making music, my friends.